Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Allcento Tarot by Michael J. Auger. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this our way. And it retails for $29.95 in the US, and of course everywhere that you can purchase it legitimately will be down in the description box below. So this includes 100 cards and a 144-page guidebook. All right, I am intrigued. Let's get into it. Allcento Tarot combines rich symbolism from historic tarot traditions as well as the most popular modern incarnations. Inspired by early Marseille and Minichate Tarot, this delightful 100-card deck with black painted edges incorporates zodiac cards, all 7 virtues, and the lesser-known triumph cards, including the dragon and the grail. The 144-page illustrated guidebook explores numerological and Kabbalistic insights, casting light on hidden and forgotten knowledge, while presenting an engaging new approach to the tarot. I know I probably mispronounced a lot of those words. I do apologize. We know my track record. All right, let's get into it. Here's the box, guidebook on top, and it is a split deck here. All right, before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook first to see if there's anything important we need to know ahead of time. We do have a huge table of contents here. So it is broken up by minor arcana, major arcana, and then the zodiac. We have reading the cards, the tree of life, about the author, endnotes. Awesome. Lots of information here for the introduction. The keys to understanding the secrets here. Court cards, numbered cards. Interesting. The symbols. The 5th element here. And then it goes into the cards. Okay, let's just go dive into the flip through here, and then we'll go deeper into the guidebook after that. So here's the back of the cards. They are, I would call them glossy, but it's not like a high gloss. US Game Systems cardstock, very nice, flexible, but snapping back. Nice. And here are those black edges. Okay. So we have the ace symbol there, all of the other symbolism, and the title down below. This art style is fun. It's feels a little campy. I don't mind that. Cartoony. Sometimes you just need a good cartoon deck. Is that all 4? That was all 4. I like it. It's different. Well, if that doesn't just spell it out for you. I love that we have the, like, I'll call them the bicycle game suits here, the poker suits. That's nice to see too, because some people really like reading with bicycle playing cards. Playing cards, that's the word, Natasha. It does do a really good job with the symbolism. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. Look at the little itty bitty paw prints. Oh, so cute. Too many cooks in the kitchen. Oh. This is probably one of the decks that I wouldn't have initially been drawn to, but I really enjoy it. I think that it's very charming. It's very easy to read with, and I'm very intrigued about the extra cards. It's kind of reminding me of like Family Guy in a way. Oh my gosh. This is a cheeky deck. Look at... Oh, this is cheeky. This is fun. This has personality, for sure. And I do notice the color coordination for the suits. Oh, I love this. Oh, that mustache, though. Nice. Well, then. This is fun. Okay. Oh, I didn't see the full, but maybe we'll see it at the back. Yeah, this is just full of personality. The choice. Oh my goodness. Oh, Hecate there. follow. Okay, the vision. There's the Fool. Pisces. Aries. All right, let's see how it shuffles. This Ouroboros or snake situation is cracking me up. There's just something about the way that the characters were drawn that just brings so much personality to this deck. I feel like even if you were a beginner, this would be an easy one to learn from and work with. There may be a lot more information than you're used to, but it shuffles really well. The symbology is all there. Oh yeah, and overhand is nice too. Oh, we're gonna read for the Ace of Swords here. That one wanted to come out, but let's see. Yeah, really, really nice shuffle. Okay, so Ace of Swords. Okay, so we do get a depiction of the art, unity of thought. The Ace of Swords signifies a unanimous idea. The inspiration of unified thought provides conviction and unique purpose. New, original ideas are granted. Reverse aspects indicate action without clarity and control that leads to adverse volatility. Great power can corrupt. All right. A sylph wearing a celestial crown flies through the air with a sword in his hand. Looped on his belt is a lemniscate, symbolizing a unity of eternal ideas. On the right is an olive tree symbolizing peace and mercy. On the left is a palm tree symbolizing severity and the suffering of transformation. The branches of the palm tree are resistant to harsh winds and are a reminder that even in the most difficult of times, victory can be achieved. However, victory for some means loss for others. This fae has ultimate conviction and is a uniter of opposites. His raised swords has a double-sided blade. It can be used to affirm thoughts that align with divine will and can also be used to invoke wrath, punishment, and cause affliction. We must strive to wield weapons wisely. Okay, I just kind of want to go to the back. I really like this. I think it's fun, different. There's a lot of info here, and it does separate out to the zodiac here. Reading the cards. So there's a lot of information to help you if you are having trouble. Oh, we do have a Celtic cross spread here. Oh, the Tecrites spread. Listen, your girl cannot pronounce much, right? No. The Tree of Life. The Path of the Serpent Wisdom. Nice. Oh, okay. So I do apologize. The author pronounces his last name O'Shea. Okay, so I do apologize. It's Michael O'Shea. Awesome. Okay. I am excited to get to know this a lot more. I think the art is fun. It's different. Like I said earlier, this definitely wasn't a deck that stood out to me that I felt drawn to right away. But now that I see the art and how comprehensive everything is in here and how accessible the information is, I am really excited to get to know this on a more personal basis. It's fun, it's different, it's cheeky, it's got some attitude and some personality to it. There's diversity. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I am excited about it. I think this is fresh and new and fun, and I am really eager to learn what you guys think about this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you think is up your alley? Do you think that you would get a lot of use out of it? What are all your thoughts? The only critique that I have is it's a split deck, but I do understand it's 100 cards. I know. And it's just a little like pet peeve of mine of trying to split the deck perfectly in half. That's all. That's why I don't like it. But other than that, I don't have any complaints. I think it's fun and unique and different. And like I said, I'm excited about it. So please let me know your thoughts down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a dragon emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.